Tips for Teachers, Lesson Planning Life Hacks, Teacher Support Series. Whether you are a student teacher, early career teacher, or an experienced educator, planning for lessons or for the next academic year doesn't need to take over all your time outside of lessons. Here we have come up with some tips to help you plan effectively and efficiently. Tip 1. Start with the curriculum as a whole. Before you get into the nitty-gritty of individual lessons, you will be looking at your yearly overview for the subject or subjects first. Seeing the curriculum as a whole is a perfect chance to spot cross-curricular links, parts that need refreshing, or any changes that have come in. Tip 2. Decide on the key learning aim for individual lessons. Always start with the learning outcome you want to achieve and work backwards. What do you want the children to learn, and what are the steps needed to get there? What is the learning aim? Can you turn this into a key question to stimulate thinking and discussion that you can return to during the lesson? Remember that a learning outcome is different from the product as an outcome, although this is still important to keep in mind. What are the children actually going to learn? Learning outcome rather than do, product outcome. For example, if you are teaching poetry and you want your students to write a poem, before you start planning any further, decide what poetry writing skill they will learn or what subject knowledge they will explore. Tip 3. Use existing resources. Save time and check what resources already exist for the lesson you are teaching. Ask colleagues or search the school system. Find out what schemes your school is signed up to, or ask your colleagues if there is a particular set of resources they would recommend. Tip 4. Refer to previous learning. Build on previous units and learning, including from past years, by checking their curriculum overviews for any links. To support long-term memory, refer to the learning that came before and allow time for reflection to pick up on any misconceptions. Tip 5. Be realistic about the time. Be honest in your plan about how long something might take rather than trying to squeeze everything in. Time for children to reflect and discuss is where the learning really happens. It is good to have backup activities in case they are too quick, but these can be simple and open-ended that don't require lots of preparation, so that you don't spend your precious time over planning just one lesson. We hope this will help you save some time and plan lessons more effectively.